He's like, I don't know, what's that?
Dude, this stuff is awesome.
Welcome to Highway 30. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Amy, and we're here to help you get creative. Today, we're going to give you an idea of what you can do with all of those little leftover pieces from your rope bowl creation.
All the rope bowls you're making because we inspired you
Yes, exactly.
to make rope bowls.
Yeah, and Mom has helped us out here with this too because she has made
Awesome.
Oh, wait a second.
Okay.
Because Mom's made a rope bowl creation for the kitty.
That's right. He really does love to be in it.
He does. It's a little bed for Ace, and she even gave him some little toys on it. And anyway, a fun idea to make a rope bowl bed for your cat. There's always these leftover pieces.
Right, so we have scraps. So today we're gonna work on making some toys for Ace over here, for kittens, cats, with the leftover scraps.
Yeah.
So
You could probably make these for your less aggressive chewer dogs as well.
perhaps,
That would not be Charlie.
no, it would not be my dog's either. Well, no,
No.
no, it wouldn't work.
So we have some of these paper mache things from Hobby Lobby. You can actually probably get, you know how they always put things on sale every other week. So make
Right.
sure to grab them on sale. Or I've also seen Christmas ornaments
Oh yeah,
You
those
know,
will be
yeah.
on sale.
at the end of the season. We actually have
Eggs.
eggs, balls, and a cone.
That's cap.
I'm thinking like, carrot or something.
Yeah.
So we'll figure this one out.
Figure that one out.
And then we're also going to add a little bit of catnip to make these a little more exciting for him.
Ooh la la.
So let's get started by dyeing some of these pieces that we have left over, different colors.
Yeah,
to-
white would be fine. The natural color would be fine.
Yeah, the cats don't really care, but
Right.
more fun for us. Because anytime I get to dye something with fabric dye.
Okay, sorry. That was, he's doing chin-ups over there. Anyway, we're dying.
Anyway,
Let's
we're
go
dyeing the rope. Let's go dye the rope. We're gonna make this exciting for you.
I'm gonna try it. Look at all this.
Yes.
He's like, oh, that sounds like me.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. I know I'm not easy. I drag you out your mind. And there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And then we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me.
So now we have all of our rope dyed, all these beautiful colors, and we've got all this mess, and we're going to turn it into something really cool.
Yeah, some cool things.
Let's get started on the paper mache and cut some holes in here so that we can stuff it full of great things. We have bells and catnip.
Yes.
It can be the cutting holes montage.
Okay.
So don't cut your finger.
Would be a really bad idea.
And we poke the hole first.
Okay. Oh, this is plastic inside.
Oh, it is?
Yep.
Is that why it's... Now we know. It's still...
Plastic. It's not paper
All right,
mache.
Hobby Lobby.
It's pretend.
You're just putting paper mache over a plastic ball.
Yep. That's it.
Let me see. The cone is actually all paper. What's inside?
For shame. I'm kidding. It's fine.
Secret has been revealed, Hobby Lobby.
It's fine.
I'm interested.
That's why it was hard to.
Yeah.
Whew. Hard to poke, but it pokes. It's possible. The bags say paper mache.
Oh, yeah. They lied. Paper mache.
Value pack, ready to decorate
Eggs.
and personalize. Egg.
Paper mache covered plastic eggs. We're not
Okay.
bitter.
I don't know if my favorite part of this is the dude, comma. This stuff is awesome. Or Whisker City.
Whisker City.
City Kitty. So much good stuff inside. Okay.
Here, let's show them what it is.
Oh.
Now they really missed out on a good, they should have said this stuff is possum.
They should have.
I mean, come on. You can have that,
You
Whisker
got a
City.
Sharpie? You can make it possum. That's better.
Fixed.
This stuff is possum.
Awesome.
Okay.
Let's use one of our cute little mushroom tins to help us out today. Oh, it does smell good. It smells like teeth. Okay. So catnip smells good. Now my idea for the bells is to kind of wrap them up in some polyfill so that the catnip doesn't get into the bell and make it so it doesn't bell anymore.
Right, it needs to bell. We need more bell.
Put more than one bell.
I was gonna say, I think a couple per. I'm not gonna jam it in there. 'Cause I'll-
Time to fill. Let's test this. It's a little muted. Actually, two bells right beside each other, that kind of helps too.
I'm like, oh, those sound great. That's because they came out.
And that's enough, I think, to get its attention.
Probably.
I'm gonna put a little catnip first in the carrot. Should this be a carrot?
It's carrot.
You know what? I'm gonna try
What?
not putting any of the polyfill in.
That's one bell with poly. We're so experimental today.
I know, right?
Oh, oh, oh.
What do you think? I say no polyfill.
Okay. It's very tingly.
2 bells.
Okay. It smells righteous in here. Smells good.
It's like tea. Catnip tea. Oh, this one already has. Oh, this one's done.
Done.
We're done.
It'll be more tingly. That'll be more fun for him.
All right, we're just gonna close these up with little masking tape.
Toss some catnip back into the
The mushroom jar.
mushroom jar. I think it's gonna be in your vacuum.
It's gonna be everywhere.
He's gonna be a happy kitty.
Onto the hot glue.
On the hot glue.
All right, so we've kind of separated out our colors here to decide what we could use on each one. Of course, when you send these through the dryer, it makes a mess. So I think we should pull this out enough to cut it so we'll have a nice little end to glue for a start.
Start with the carrot.
Let's do the carrot.
Okay. It's hot.
Yeah. I do like a little zigzag right there. Just
Your sound effects. Aww.
no, so close.
There's still some. Keep going. Oh, no, you can't.
So,
Oh, it makes a cute little floofy tail.
a floofy tail. I think I like that.
Let's do it. It works.
Actually, I think that works really good because
You gonna floof those?
He's been going nuts about these little pieces already.
And it jingles.
All right, one carrot down.
All right, we're gonna do some.
Let's get busy.
Okay.
I think even if you didn't do the whole dog cat toy thing, these eggs are really cute for Easter. I could see a rope bowl basket full of rope bowl eggs for Easter.
Don't overdo it now.
You can never have too many rope bowl basket bowls. Just ask Mom. You just start the little end, just like you start the rope bowls with a little curl. Just pop it on. You also don't, I mean, if your scraps aren't this long, you could change colors, which could be fun if you had a bunch of tiny pieces. And then if it's a cat toy, those little parts right here, if they were all over the egg, your kitty would probably love it even more. Or dye your rope, some of it brown, and make them acorns. Little acorn hat. You could paint the bottom of your plastic paper mache egg and just add a little acorn hat. Make some acorns.
I think you should make some acorns.
Back to Hobby Lobby I go.
It is fall after all.
I think you're gonna love these. The big ones have a really good sound.
Yeah, they do.
Just put them all in this.
Those are the best.
Easter basket for the kitty.
Total Easter basket for a kid.
All right, let's go see how he likes them.
So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed crafting with us today. If you feel inspired to create something like this, how about let us know down in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more. We'll see you next week.
Have it. You can't have it.
Not yet.
Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Okay. Oh, gosh, you're naughty.
Oops.